Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I go with the buyers exactly right here. There was another opportunity, but unfortunately we missed this one. I arrived pretty late on this trade, and this was a beautiful common point of rejection, okay? The way it works when you have a market like this, which is a ranging market with a lot of rejections, ups and downs, you make, you draw the common point of the rejection. You don't draw like this, you don't draw like this. You have to have the most amount of rejection on this line, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I'm sorry. 7, and then this one would be takeable. Usually after fourth time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth, takeable, takeable, takeable. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities, okay? All right. A inverted hammer closing at the support area. Okay, I go with the sellers here. And it actually breaks the doji again, okay? So doji ranges create us support and resistance, okay? Market either moves between them, or after breaking them, it gets retracement, okay? I want to take two more up here because of this common point of rejection, okay? This would be the best entry, but for now, no problem. At least these two trades going to be winning trades, okay? Because we have a doji trade, the normal expectation here is having a red candle because of the doji trade, and this candle opening up from this round number, okay, which is a resistance in this case. So we can expect a red candle, and since we are expecting a red one, we also see a common point of rejection, right? It freezed. Okay, all right, it has a gap up. It's opening with this gap up, so my one of my entries losing trade because of this gap, okay? And this trade also takeable. It's a gap up in the favor of sellers, okay? So for common point of rejection, if you have already a reason to take the trade before this common point, it's going to make that even stronger, okay? So here the expectation is having a red one, so we take the common point, all right? For example, in this case, you see market sequence, right? So after two red ones, we are expecting the green one, but there's a common point down here as well. So if the price was coming down on this common point, it would be a lot of, it would be a very beautiful trade to take because we already expecting the green one, and then we also have the common point. All right. I gotta change the connection real quick because this one just freezed. All right. Let's just move to the next opportunity. Guys, don't forget to join to the Telegram channel. I share more students' result, okay? Let's just see. Okay, we have another doji break right here. You can see after breaking this doji, we got the retracement. It's also combined with this QM. So it's a good thing to take, okay? Okay, we have this common point of rejection. This one here as well. Okay, this one as well. Up here. Let's see which one will give us entry. It freezes out for some reason. I guess I need to change my connection. I go with the sellers right here. Yeah, you see how strongly they rejected because it's a common point of rejection, and this candle goes into the doji range. Okay, so normally we're expecting a retracement. Beside that, this is an engulfing pattern, so there's two expectation for a retracement, and then common point of rejection comes to the game, and it gives us the best possible entry. Okay, if the next candle comes down and break this doji again, okay, that's again another opportunity to go in with the buyers. And since we have again two common points of rejection down here, it's gonna make my entries a lot better, okay? Yes, you can see it's breaking the doji again from the downside, and it's coming to the common point of rejection. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, All right, it broke the doji again. Again, we have a gap down. I take this trade with a smaller amount because my first entry, my second entry is going to be down here. Okay, if it comes down, right? I took this trade with 500 because I was planning to get a very huge entry on this one and also this one. But it didn't come down and I didn't want to miss this opportunity. That's why I just got into the trade with this small amount, okay? It's gonna come to this common point of rejection again, but this time it seems that getting risky to break that because at some point this range is gonna get broken, right? Today's market is so beautiful. I see a lot of good opportunities today. Oh man, look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it? 3, 2, 1. For example, look at this one. Again, this one was also takeable, wasn't it? It was beautiful, right? I don't know why I say I use this beautiful word a lot. I wish I could stop myself. Okay. Now I'm just gonna look for other opportunities. This is how market works, okay? But it needs a lot of practice and experience. It's not easy as it looks, okay? It's not easy as it looks. But please do not go to the live account right away. And there's a free demo account. It's just free, I guess, 50K demo account. You can just use it to see how the market works, okay? But still, I do not suggest you deposit your real money into the market yet before taking, gaining experience. Okay, here again, let me just check the next ones real quick. Go back to this one. All right, this one is breaking this doji again, but you know why I do not take this trade as a buy? Because you see this gap up, right? So basically this is a range inside a bigger range. Okay, so most likely the red-green patterns, the doji break is going to work best on this kind of market. But I really don't trust gaps. You see this gap up here? It's in the favor of sellers. Okay, so I will not take this, especially I already hit my take profit for today, okay? I will not take this. Look at this. Do you remember this common point of rejection I talked about? See how nice it is? I was expecting this on this candle, but it didn't come down. If you remember, I took this trade with 500. This one right here. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to move on. Oh, here we see a huge gap down, huge gap down. I will take this a very small amount, okay, just for fun, because, you know, these gaps are super powerful, okay? But I'm not saying you can take them anywhere. You have to combine other reasons, okay? You have to combine other reasons to take them. Look at the entry. The entry is below this round number. Let's see if I can combine this with other stuff. This is the trend line. No, it's not touching the trend line. There's not really other reasons to take this one. That's why I go with 100. Okay. The gaps itself is not a proper setup to take the trade. It's a positive or negative confirmation for us. Okay. It was a losing trade, clearly. Okay. It's a losing trade. Fine. Go back to 1,000. We will find another beautiful trade. Okay. As you can see, we really take regular amounts on the trades that we really are confident about. If we see not enough reasons, we go very slow just for fun. Okay, if you're taking your trades with $10, take the unsure trade with $1 or $2. Okay, just for fun, just to see what's happening. Do not go with on the regular amount on each trade. Okay, it's gonna mess you up. Right, we have another, again, it's the same golden doji. I call them golden doji. Like, we have this common point of rejection right here. Oh man, this was awesome. This was awesome to take. Look at this gap up in the favor of sellers, common point of rejection. That's beautiful. All right, we have a third touch here. It's gonna happen. After this breakout, I will take a buy, okay? I will take a buy trade after this breakout because this is a breakout setup. All right, it's breaking that. I will go with the buyers. Okay, go with the buyers. We got this gap down here in our favor. So basically we have combined this breakout with the gap down. We have the trend with us. Okay, we have good reasons to take it. We have engulf needing retracement, right? What is against us in this case? What is against us? I can't really see a thing against us. Okay, oh, I see. So the market's general flow, look, if you look at this market, the market's general flow looks like this, right? It looks like this. So market's general flow is against us. Otherwise, it's just fine. Because if you look at the past time, we have the same things over. Okay, it might be a good retracement to go with the sellers again, but you know, I just take 1 minute candle, so we don't really care about that one. Okay, this is gonna be my, it's just, okay. Yeah, you see, you have to combine reasons. You have to have the things and then combine reasons. The next batch of my mentorship is gonna open on 25 this month, 25 April, and I will announce in the Telegram channel since there's a lot of people, you know, in the waiting room. Probably this spot's gonna be limited again, just like the previous batch. So if you're interested, just join the Telegram channel and stay tuned, okay? I'm gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.